When someone insults you, what do you do? When they throw their anger, their hate, their bad words right at you, do you catch them? Do you get angry back? Do you let their words completely ruin your day? Most of us react, we fight back, we get defensive. But what if I told you there's a better way, a way to win without even fighting? Listen to this ancient story about the incredible power of silence. Once, in ancient Japan, there lived a wise old samurai. He was known far and wide not just for his skill with a sword, but for his profound patience and his ability to teach young students the art of living in peace. One day, a brash, arrogant young warrior arrived in the village. This warrior was infamous for his bad temper and a very specific strategy. He would shout insults at his opponents, taunting them until they got so angry that they lost their focus. And once they made a mistake, he would defeat them. The young warrior's goal was to destroy the old master's reputation. He walked right up to the old man in the middle of the village square and began to scream. He called him a coward. He insulted his ancestors. He even spat in his direction. For hours, he hurled every nasty word he could think of at the old man. And what did the old master do? Nothing. He simply stood there, silent, calm. He didn't move a muscle. His face was like a tranquil lake. Finally, completely exhausted and utterly frustrated that his insults had no effect, the young warrior gave up and stormed away, defeated by the silence. The master's students, who had watched the whole thing, were completely baffled. They rushed to him and asked, "Teacher, why did you endure such shame? Why didn't you draw your sword and fight him? You could have easily defeated him." The old master just smiled gently. He looked at his students and asked them a very simple question. If someone comes to you with a gift, and you do not accept it, to whom does the gift belong? One of the students thought for a moment and replied, "Well, if I don't accept it, the gift still belongs to the person who tried to give it to me." "Exactly," said the master, "and it is the same with anger, insults, and hatred. When someone tries to give you their anger, if you do not accept it, it remains with them. The poison is theirs to keep. It burns their hands, not yours. Think about that. In your life, people will constantly try to give you their gifts of negativity. They'll try to pull you down into their storm, to make their problems your problems. But you have to remember this story. You always have the choice to refuse the gift. Your inner peace is the most valuable thing you own. It belongs to you. Don't give it away so easily. Don't let someone else's bitterness become your own. Their anger is their burden, not yours. Let them carry it. You, instead, can choose to remain calm, to remain centered, to protect your own tranquility. If you choose peace today, write "I choose peace" in the comments below. Let's create a community of people dedicated to living with strength and calm. And for more stories that bring wisdom and hope into your life, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and stay hopeful.